This tutorial shows you how to access and use Google Scholar for your research. Google Scholar is a search engine, just like its parent search engine, Google. The primary difference between Scholar and other search engines is that Scholar returns results of a much higher quality, including scholarly journal articles, books, and law reviews. With Scholar, you'll spend less time trying to find appropriate resources for your research. You can access Scholar at its URL, scholar.google.com. From the Google Scholar homepage, click the Settings button to adjust your Scholar settings. You can have Scholar return results in a selected language, open links in a new window, and choose the number of results to display on each page. Click the arrow to the right of the search box to construct a search string that will improve your results. Type keywords into the first line of the advanced search. The word "and" is automatically inserted between each word you type on this line. In this example, Google Scholar will search for cells and human and reproductive. All of the results will contain all of these search terms. Type exact phrases in the second line. In this example, Scholar will search for the exact phrase, human anatomy. If you want Scholar to search for closely related words like structure or composition, insert them in the third line of the search. Scholar will search for articles that contain either the word structure or the word composition. With the advanced search option, you may also limit your results to a range of dates. You can also construct a simple search using the standard search bar. Scholar will only search for exact phrases when they are enclosed in quotation marks. Searching for exact phrases reduces the number of irrelevant results that Scholar will return. In addition, Scholar automatically inserts the word "and" between phrases and between words that are not in quotation marks. To expand your results to include either one phrase or another, insert the word "or" between phrases or words. Using "or" between phrases or words in your search is useful when you are searching for closely related terms, or you're unsure which term is likely to be used more frequently. The results will contain either one of the search terms or the other, not necessarily both. So as a refresher, use "and" when your results should include all of your search terms. This is especially useful when you want results to include more than one concept, like cell structure and human biology. Using "and" narrows your search results. And remember, you don't have to type the word "and." Google assumes it's there. Use "or" when you want your results to include any of your search terms, but not necessarily all of them. This is especially useful when you're searching for related terms, like euthanasia, assisted suicide, or mercy killing. Using "or" expands your search results, and you do have to type the word "or." In this example, you can see that using the word "or" between search terms returns thousands of more results than the same search using the word "and." Remember, Scholar automatically assumes that you want your results to include all of your search terms, without your having to type the word "and." There are a few types of results you'll find in Google Scholar. First, you may find results that offer you full text access to the article. You'll often find a link to the right of the title. This link will often provide you with a full text copy of the article, even if you can't access the article by clicking its title. Some of your results in Scholar may be books. These will usually be snippets or previews, which won't allow you to see the whole book. Check the library catalog, or check with the librarian to see if we can obtain a copy of the book for you. Some articles may only be available if you're willing to purchase them. In this case, you should write down the title, author names, and any other relevant information. Then see if the article is available through one of the library databases, such as EBSCOhost or Gale. or check with a librarian to see if we can find a copy for you. If you have any questions about using Google Scholar, or you need help searching or locating the full text of an article, you can contact us via chat, you can email us, or you can call us. Or you can stop in to see us. The library is open Monday through Thursday, 8 a.m. to 11 p.m., Fridays from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m., and Saturdays from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m.